The 11th dimension, a path to the invisible universe. Today, we'll journey deep into the structure of the universe, deeper than atoms, deeper than quarks, and even beyond the dimensions we think we know. Welcome to the 11th dimension. What is a dimension, and how many do we have? We all know the three physical dimensions: width, length, and height, plus the one we can never escape, time. That gives us four dimensions, the ones Einstein's physics used to describe the universe. But theoretical physicists say that's not enough. If we want to unify all the fundamental forces, especially gravity, we need to add dimensions we can't see. The hidden dimensions in string theory. String theory proposes that the tiniest building blocks of the universe are not point-like particles. They're actually tiny vibrating strings, like guitar strings. But for the math to work, string theory needs 10 dimensions in total. Wait a minute, where does the 11th dimension come in? The 11th dimension and M-theory. Back in 1995, physicist Edward Witten introduced something revolutionary, M-theory. He suggested that the 5 seemingly different versions of string theory were actually different views of the same underlying theory. And that theory requires 11 dimensions to unify gravity with quantum mechanics. An easy way to visualize it. If particles are like tiny strings, M-theory says there are also membranes, large dimensional surfaces. Our universe might just be one membrane floating in a vast sea of other universes, each existing in its own dimension. Can we perceive the 11th dimension? The short answer is not yet. The extra dimensions might be curled up or compactified so tightly that even a microscope can't detect them. But this theory lets physicists redraw the blueprint of reality, with parallel universes, gravity leaking between membranes, and even a Big Bang that might have come from a collision of universes across the 11th dimension. The 11th dimension could be the key to everything, from gravity's mysterious weakness to the birth of the universe and even the possibility of a multiverse. Even though we can't see it yet, physicists are finding ways to detect its traces through gravitational waves or exotic particles from beyond our universe. Because, who knows, the answers to the biggest questions might be hidden in dimensions we don't even know exist.